folks, it's Teresa from Stringfield Ridge Farm. Me and my handy dandy, beautiful assistant are going to show you some more household tips. And so we have all our products out here that we're going to use today. Now, first thing we're going to use, let's scoot this over, is our peroxide. We're going to talk a little bit about what peroxide is good for. I have to have my little cheat notes because I don't remember all of these things. But, we've always, my grandma and my mama always took peroxide and put on any cuts and scrapes that we had and boiled those out, or splinters to boil those out. Anything like that, cuts and scrapes and bites and splinters, we grab the peroxide for. I've also known of several people who have had something wrong with their mouth that would swish peroxide in their mouth and spit it out to, to help with gum disease or, abscess or anything like that. So, these are other things that you can do with peroxide, and I will say that they have done a study that claims that peroxide is not that great to use on wounds because, especially if it's a deep wound, it doesn't allow the natural process of healing. But I think that would be more after the fact. If you first get a cut or a scrape, if it's not a deep wound, you want to clean that out. So that's what we always done. I don't remember ever using it later afterwards. So you don't want to keep using peroxide on a wound because it may prevent the natural healing process. So let's get that in. That being said, we're going to tell you some other things you can do with peroxide. And my lovely assistant is going to open these up and show you that we refill our spray bottle. I buy my peroxide, I've bought a spray bottle, and then I buy the bigger bottles to keep filling that up. And she's going to do that for us while I tell you what else it's good for. Now, these are kind of hard to get off when you first time. So you can get it off though, and it will go back on. It's just pretty tight on there. So she's going to use a funnel and then pour real slowly and show y'all how to refill your spray bottle. So peroxide is good for your dishwasher. I don't have a dishwasher. I am the dishwasher. And and I don't get moldy. So if you have a dishwasher, they can get mold and mildew. You can take your spray bottle, you can dilute it a little bit or spray it. For this, you can spray it on straight. Some of these you would dilute, but in the dishwasher, you can spray this on the rubber and the seals and the utensil basket and things like that to help kill the mold and mildew or keep the mold and mildew off. You gonna do that? Go slow. Slow, slow, slow. Not much at a time because it don't need a whole lot. That's good. There you go. All right, we refilled our spray bottle. Now my assistant's gonna put all that back on there carefully, and you can disinfect your toothbrush or any of your things that go in your mouth. You can spray peroxide on your toothbrush, your retainers, your mouth guards, anything like that. You can clean with peroxide to help disinfect those. Let's see. Okay, we're done with that. Well, now you can hold those. We do need this funnel again in a minute. So you can hold those and show them the peroxide. There you go. All right. It also whitens teeth. You can spray a little peroxide on your teeth and let it set for just 15 to 20 seconds, and then rinse it really good. And we have distractions today. Spray it really good, rinse it really good, and it will whiten your teeth. You don't want to do that too often. Maybe you could do it once a week. I do it maybe once every 2 weeks is what I have done. Okay. Feet. If you have stinky feet, like some people, you can take 1 part of peroxide to 3 parts of water and soak your feet in that, and it will kill odor-causing bacteria. Don't leave it too long. Just slip them in there and get them good and wet for a few minutes and get them out and rinse them off. You don't want to leave peroxide on your skin for very long, or it can cause a burning. Nails. You can whiten your nails by putting baking soda. Baking soda. You can take and form a paste with your baking soda and a little bit of peroxide. Form a paste, and when it quits bubbling, you put your fingernails down in there for 3 minutes, and it will whiten your nails. Now, 3 minutes seems like a long time to me, because I feel like by then my nails would be burning a little. I don't know. I haven't tried that at all. I don't fool with my nails. So, you can try it. I don't know if I'd leave it 3 minutes. Okay, sponges. All those kitchen and bathroom sponges, you can disinfect those by taking half and half. Half baking soda and half peroxide, and clean your sponges out real good, and it will disinfect all those sponges. Your cutting board. You can take your cutting board and clean it with peroxide. Now, I would do more of the plastic cutting boards. I don't think I would do that with my wooden cutting board. I have a really nice wooden cutting board that I take really good care of, and I just don't know that I would put peroxide on it. But I don't use it for anything like meat or anything like that. Actually, you should not use a wooden cutting board for meat. You should use a plastic type of cutting board for meat, and then save your wooden cutting board for vegetables and things like that, and herbs and whatever. Just my opinion. But I would clean the plastic cutting boards with peroxide. That would be awesome. All right. Okay, you can sanitize your refrigerator with peroxide. Sanitize your refrigerator. Wipe it, spray it, and then wipe it out good. You want to rinse things off good after you've used it. It's good for towel and grout. It takes the mildew out of towel and grout. You can make baking soda. Again, baking soda. Baking soda and peroxide. Make a paste. Put it on your towel and grout. Leave it for a little bit, and it will clean the mildew or mold off of that, off your grout. Let's see, toys. It cleans toys, y'all. It will disinfect your toys. So you can take your toys, spray a little peroxide on there to clean them up, and then rinse them off good, and it cleans up your toys and makes them sanitized. Okay, last but not least, this is the best one for all of us homesteaders and farmers and gardeners. It will help in your garden. Okay, so what you do is For your garden, you want to spritz a teaspoon, okay, 1 teaspoon of peroxide to a pint of water. And you can spray that on your plants to kill fungus or to help prevent fungus. You can also take 1 part peroxide to 4 parts of water and water your plants to boost the oxygen. It boosts the plant's ability to absorb nutrients. How you like that? That's a good one. Now, me and my lovely assistant are going to show you how to make a magic cleaner. This is an all-purpose cleaner that will clean everything in your house. All-purpose cleaner. Okay, we started out, we bought a cheap spray bottle for $1, and we put 10 ounces of warm water in it. My lovely assistant is going to take our funnel, and okay, the ingredients in this is 8 ounces of white vinegar, 10 ounces of water, 4 ounces of lemon juice, and 2 ounces of Dawn dishwashing liquid. So, here we go. My lovely assistant is going to help me do, how much ounces? 8. 8 ounces. Here, set the cup down, I think. There we go. 8 ounces of white vinegar. Be real careful. Go slow and easy there. Okay. All right. 4 ounces of lemon juice. Does it stink? No. 4 ounces of lemon juice. There you go. Okay. Now 2 ounces. 2 ounces of Dawn dishwashing liquid. There we go. We probably should have put that first so it would come out, because it's going to be slow and not all come out probably. All right. But that's okay. All right, there we go. Magic cleaner. Put our lid on. Good job, Bob. Whoop. Splashed it. Okay. And, well, it kind of splashed. All right, there we go. There's our magic cleaner. This will clean anything in your house.
Yep.
Yep. All right, magic cleaner. Don't shake it. You might stir it if you wanted to, but I wouldn't shake it. You'll just get a bunch of foam from the Dawn. But there you go. Spray that and clean anything you want to clean. Bathtub, sinks. What else can we clean? The toilet and the bathtub and the sinks and the countertops and the table and fridge. What else?
Windows.
Windows?
Kids' noses and
Papa's gonna clean kids' noses with it. Yeah. All right. Thank y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And watch us on Friday nights at 7 Central Time. That's how you really do it. Okay, there we go. I am not going to shake it.
Oh, mine.
What a mess. I'm going to call it Magic Volcano Cleaner.